All Parties Hurriyat Conference has made an urgent appeal to the United Nations to intervene and hold India accountable for its atrocities in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, condemned the actions of the Indian occupation regime, including the torture of the innocent Kashmiris, seizure of their properties, and suppression of their right to self-determination through cordon-and-search operations and house raids. Canada has expelled 6 Indian diplomats after the police collected evidence that as the Indian government agents, they were involved in the activities threatening the public safety in Canada. The Canadian police said that it has significant amount of information on the criminal activity orchestrated by the agents of the Indian government. Indian Supreme Court has again sided with the BJP-led Modi government, refusing to entertain a plea challenging the power of the Lieutenant Governor of occupied Kashmir to nominate 5 members to the Legislative Assembly. The toothless 2-member SCI bench asked the petitioner Ravinder Kumar Sharma to approach the High Court. Occupied Kashmir Congress Chief Tariq Hamid Karra has reiterated that the National Conference and the Congress Alliance has taken a challenge to restore the snatched rights of the occupied Kashmir. Karra said that all the decisions taken by the BJP-installed administration in occupied Kashmir will be reviewed. Over 60,000 daily wages in occupied Kashmir took to the streets, demanding regularization of their employment status. The protest, led by the Employees United Front, urged the newly administration headed by the Umar Abdullah to fulfill its promise of the regularization. Over 90 houses and the Jamia Masjid were gutted in a massive fire in the Kishtwar district.